Hey guys, and welcome to Top Channel 101. So today I have some interesting news for you and over 1 million 3D models free for you to download. But here is a catch. This library was not meant for you, at least not meant for you as an artist. This was a website by some company called Observerse. This is a library meant for an AI, and what they did is that they went onto Sketchfab and other sites and scraped the website. Basically, scraping is when you go to a website and just look for certain information like words or images, download them and into a different database. That's why they did to Sketchfab, but this time they just did that with 3D models, and they put them onto their own website so that an AI or anyone who wants to create an AI that generates 3D models can jump into the library, can use their library to the same way that Midjourney and other AI did for images when they went out to different websites. Looked at their images, and from that they were trained with those images to learn how to create images. This is being done with 3D models, except here's the problem. They didn't have any permission to do this, and you can see Sketchfab already is onto it, and you can see from their tweet we are seeing some reactions about the newly announced Observerse AI library. This library you're looking at, and it appears Observerse mass downloaded these models from Sketchfab and redistributed them without our knowledge. So far, all of these models that we have seen were made downloadable for free on Sketchfab under the Creative Commons license. So this Observerse company went onto Sketchfab and looked for freely downloadable models, like normally what artists would use, and I just went there, scraped the website, and downloaded them and placed them here. So I don't know if there will be any legal action taken against them, but because this is under the models that they downloaded were under Creative Commons, and that's the same reason why you can go in there and download them and use them for yourself. They are not allowed to use them commercially, at least for some of the projects, but I think they just went there and just downloaded anything that can be downloaded for free and placed it on their website. So maybe they'll be able to get into legal trouble, but for the most case, they're just using the freely available downloadable assets to use them. And here it gets even worse than just stealing artists' work. So the version that the AI is going to use looks more like this. So this is the data set, and it contains over 1 million models, over 800k annotated models. So they are tagging them so that the AI can tell what the model is and be able to make a new model out of it. So they are basically creating a library, stealing artists' work, artists' 3D models that they placed for free out of generosity, and they're going to supply new AI generators with these 3D downloadable models so that the AI can recreate them and essentially replace the 3D artist who was generous enough to upload these models for free. The library is really large. You can go in the GLBS library and you can see how many these models are, and each folder contains more models, and you can even just jump in here, and it's quite interesting, and it's something to watch out for. Especially if you have been uploading to sites like Sketchfab, because if you might find that your 3D models are here already. And yeah, also I've uploaded my 3D models as well, so I'm sure that I might find something here, but I really don't have anything I could do about it if Sketchfab doesn't really know. So they have this site here. I think this is geared towards the AI, but they also have this human-friendly interface where you can just explore the different models, and they have categorized them. Yeah, it sucks, but they also made a website that you can take advantage of and just search for whatever model you want. If you go to their website, this website, since they're already stealing stuff, I don't know, you can steal from them as well. But if you get something you like, you can just go to this preview here and click on the download button. It will take you to the Sketchfab page where you can see everything about the model, including the different licenses that you need to use, and be able to download the model as you want. On more lighter news, I've made the asset library cheaper. It's now $1.99. So in case you go in and like some of the 3D models you get here, and you want an easier way to manage them, or an alternative to the asset browser, which is sometimes a bit hard to use, you can just download my asset library. That is $1.99 on the Blender Market, and yeah, basically this you might see me use it a lot in my tutorials because I find it very, very intuitive, at least more than the asset browser. And I use it for just importing stuff that I've already made and saved to the library. So for example, a cart. Yeah, this one I made a few days ago. Here is a shopping cart, and this is a medieval cart. So yeah, thank you for watching.